Party Rentals of Virginia coming at you again, and as the song goes, it's summertime and the living is easy. So let's plan something for the summertime. So summertime is all about bright colors, and you have to do something very tropical or bright and sunny, and we've done that this time, just using orange and white as our basic accent. But we've gone one step further, and we've done something a little different this time, because as we plan a lot of events, including huge fundraiser type things, they're for 800 to 900 people, if you can imagine. And not everybody gets a good seat near the front. So what we've come up with is lifting the tables up. So this is a 5-foot round table, and as you see, I've used bar stools. Well, why would he do that? Because we've added PVC pipe to the legs, which is really a lot of fun. So it raises this table up. Yes, we do need to use the bar stools, and we do have many options in that to coordinate with your decor and a longer tablecloth, but it just sets these guests up a little higher than everybody else. If you're doing that around the outside perimeter of the room, it just makes sure that those guests again can see what's taking place during your event. Patrick, Classic Party Rentals of Virginia, hoping you're having a terrific summer. Please give us a call.